done, folks, with the CS 590 Timberwolf. So I'm trying not to crush anything here.
Well, that cuts through it pretty fast.
It's gonna go just like that.
Good one.
What do you think?
That's great.
I can take the top off, or should I leave it like that? That's okay. I can take it off a little bit more.
You want to go?
I'll go a little bit lower just to the face. So there's a
Yeah.
tiki in this tree, guys, so that's
Yeah.
why I'm not cutting it right down.
Perfect. It stopped.
Yeah, as long as it
Right
didn't
at the
break it.
outcome. Good job.
Trying to be careful with these yuccas here. Broke a branch, but broke a leaf. That's okay. So now I'm going to cut this up. Oh, that's heavy. Oh,
Yeah, it sounded heavy when you.
you know what? I didn't break anything. So we're going to watch.